gonna introduce various delicious foods to you. Actually, I'm really a foodie. I'm quite passionate about all various delicious foods across the world. Especially, I'm seeing like a food noodle person. I'm passionate about all kinds of noodles, no matter it's soup noodle or dry noodles. Besides, I really love traveling, which gives me opportunity to taste all various kinds of foods. This year I'm fortunate enough to travel to Malaysia, where there are beautiful sceneries and delicious foods. I found that Malay are pretty good at making delicious foods. Recent days, I have traveled to Penang, a fascinating city where there are breathtaking coastal sceneries as well as various delicious foods. Especially, it has a historical and modernized architectures. But the most impressive part is its foods. So let me share with you my experience. This is another famous cuisine in my hometown. It's chicken feet, which is a little bit sour and a little bit spicy, but the flavor is not very strong, so it's very flavorful. Because the chicken feet, exactly, that's pretty. It's quite salty and a little bit spicy, but the flavor is not very overpowering. This is a can of tofu in my hometown. Tofu is really tender and soft. Yeah, yes. I have to say my hometown is truly a noodle heaven. It's known for various delicious noodles. Especially it has many secret spices to add to the noodles more flavor. And it's quite spicy, but the spicy flavor is not much overpowering, but it's a mixture of tender flavors. Especially the chili oil and some dried or fresh chili is very renowned in my hometown. This is special. I actually am afraid of this food because this cuisine is made of some insects. But someone would say these kind of foods are pretty delicious. But someone may not. It's pretty crispy. This may be a mixed feeling. Yeah, its surface are pretty crispy, but inside it's very soft and a kind of soup. Now I'm quite excited to dine in this fancy restaurant because we are at a Hong Kong restaurant, and you can see this is very delicious dumplings and the noodles. Actually, I'm quite interested in noodles. Yeah, this is my favorite meal. I really like eating the fried rice. And the rice is fried with egg and some shrimp. It's pretty yummy, and I really enjoy this food. I think it's pretty delicious, more than Chinese French fries. I really enjoy this cuisine in Malaysia.
这叫是 curry prawns， 这是咖喱虾，然后也是不辣，正宗的娘惹菜是不辣的 ，OK？ 还有我们有香茅，有辣椒、黄姜、洋葱，然后它酸性是阿三的味道 ，OK？ 好，然后这个是娘惹杂菜，娘惹杂菜里面有沙格，沙格英文叫 hikama，hikama，hikama。这是墨西哥字来的，它原来的名字。OK， hikama， 然后我们有萝卜 cabbage， 高菜，然后我们还有大葱，这是菜方面的啊。然后里面的香，那里面有。I am enjoying this pretty awesome ice cream, and I think this store is called Ultimate Awesome. So it's pretty cool. This. 还有什么吗？四个，那个港式4个咯。我们的招牌是单海的。Today I'm so excited to buy these two bakes in a cake store. This is an pineapple and mango cake. You cannot see, but the surface is pretty crispy, and inside the fillings are made of pineapple paste and mango cube. And in the taste, there are some wheat season, we can add its flavor.
Moreover, there are various types of cakes. The fillings are also lotus and some other ingredients. Anyway, all of them are pretty delicious. It's in a circle shape. It looks pretty adorable, and I suppose it must be delicious. Second one, there is a egg tart. I suppose everyone is passionate about egg tart, and I think it is exquisitely designed. Here is a butter cake. This is a freshly baked cake with buttery base and egg ball custard tart insides. You can see, so I have to say now I'm mouth-watering. Hope you can have a try. So, okay guys, today I'm very happy to share with you this video, to share with my eating habits and some delicious foods in Malaysia and in my hometown. Actually, the reasons I love eating would be endless. Firstly, eating can bring me a good mood actually. Whenever I feel frustrated, I would like to eat so much delicious foods to soothe the mind, to distract my attention, and those delicious foods are really a flavor to life. Secondly, I would say some foods are pretty healthy actually. Are pretty healthy no matter it's spicy or not. No matter it's made of some ingredients, but it has many components to keep you energy. But however, I will limit eating junk food. I know it's quite not healthy, so in the future I will explore more delicious foods across the road and to taste them and to share with them with you. So I hope to make friends with every foodie